Hi, I'm Kim, but who am I? I'm the owner of the Primal Flow Model, which has been around since before its first official instructor course in 2012, the brainchild of Philip and Jenny Wright, formerly of Creating Chaos. I've been in the unique position of experiencing the Primal Flow concept as it was being developed as a client of Phil Wright, pre-qualifying as a personal trainer, doing the instructor and advanced course, using it in classes and one-to-one settings, qualifying to teach and then delivering the course, to now using those 10 plus years of experience and growth as a personal trainer and movement enthusiast to breathe new life into the concept. Learning and exploring movement has been my thing since the beginning of my own fitness journey. I'm also a biomechanics coach and currently studying my Level 5 Movement Therapy Diploma with Movement Education. All of this experience is being poured into the relaunch of the instructor course this year. I'm passionate about encouraging people to move and to not be afraid to move, to help enhance their training and life goals. What is Primal Flow? Primal Flow mostly explores bodyweight movements, which is great as you don't need a gym to participate and you can tailor movements to suit any ability or goal. It's accessible to all that have the privilege of being able to move in some way. Bodyweight movement has sat in the top 10 since its first appearance in 2013 in the annual ACSM's Health and Fitness Journal Worldwide Survey. So it's a sought after tool to keep fit, strong and mobile at any age. Primal Flow looks at ways to explore all primal movement patterns, creating an unlimited number of exercises. Using the Primal Flow model to build effective workouts, whether working with sports teams, those less mobile, pre and postnatal and anyone in between. Helping people to embrace all that their body is capable of, removing the stigma that all movement must be perfect to be valuable. The model builds sequences of movements rather than performing repetitions. So using a time-based model means that workouts can accommodate all levels of abilities, which makes it a great tool for groups and classes, ultimately making it effective, fun and appropriately challenging. What can you expect from the instructor course? The Primal Flow Instructor Course is a comprehensive delve into movement exploration. We don't give you the answers, we give you a model that allows you to create unlimited workouts to suit the clients that you work with. We excite your movement creativity and thinking. We look at and spend plenty of time exploring joint actions, locomotive and non-locomotive movement patterns, movement variables for each, and then explore how the model works to put it all together. It's a 2-day, very practical experience. You'll hopefully come away with an ignited enthusiasm for all that the human body is capable of. Sign up to our newsletter for more information.